Okay, this Saturday from 11 to 2, host Joanne McPoland will be having an open house at Marsh Villa, Unit 3L, and that's located at 4801 North Ocean Boulevard in North Myrtle Beach. Now, this is a fantastic two-bedroom condo. It's directly across the street from the ocean, a couple of 100 yards, and you're at your own private beach. It's close to everything that North Myrtle Beach has to offer. Great beaches, of course, our great restaurants, nightlife, everything you want, very close by. So fantastic two-bedroom condo, and get this, the owner's going to give a $4,000 closing cost credit, so you could decorate the condo any way you want. It's a home run, you can't lose. So hope to see you on Saturday, 11 to 2. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me at 843-997-0616.